it's me Pat and welcome back again to another tutorial. For today's video, this is the 6th episode of our Java Taglish series for absolute beginners. Now in this chapter, I'm going to talk about the Java scanner, which is ito yung basic na ginagamit to get the user input. Now just a quick recall, when we say user input, ito lang yung kumukuha tayo ng mga details or information from the user. So for example, yung mga name, age, or kahit anong pang details na kinukuha natin galing sa kanila. Now, in this lesson, ang gagawin natin is to get the favorite number of the user. And in order to do that, meron lang tayong 5 basic steps na ifa-follow. So actually guys, yung first and second and third step na to can be interchangeable. Pero kayo na bahala kung anong gusto nyo mauna or mahuli. Okay? So yung ating first step is to import the java.util.scanner. So in order to do that, kailangan lang natin lumabas dito sa class. Ibig sabihin dito tayo sa labas. Tapos, ilagay lang natin itong mga keywords na to. That would be import, all in small letters, tapos space, java.util.scanner, then semicolon. And by the way guys, yung java.util.scanner is from the java.util package. Ibig sabihin lang nun, bukod sa scanner, marami pa siya ditong options. Okay? Pero for now, syempre, scanner yung gagamitin natin. So, yung line na to, sinasabi lang niya na pinapakilala natin sa program na gagamitin natin yung scanner. Now, let's proceed to the second step. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, tinatanong natin kay user or pinapaalam natin kay user na, oy, ano ba yung dapat namin hingiin sa inyo? So, in order to do that, pupunta tayo sa loob ng PSVM method, tapos magdi-display tayo ng question kay user gamit ang system.out.println. Since kukuhanin natin yung favorite number niya, lalagay natin dito would be, enter your favorite number. Okay? So, kapag niran ko, ganito lang yung mangyayari sa kanya. So, ganyan lang, okay? Now, for our third step, sinasabi lang dito na kailangan natin mag-create ng scanner na object. So, in order to do that, ang gagawin natin would be scanner, tapos yung ating scanner object name, in my case, that would be scan, tapos equals to new, scanner, tapos system.in, tapos semicolon, okay? So, in this line na to, sinasabi lang niya na kung ano yung nilagay ni user or tinype niya from the keyword is kukuhanin natin yon. Okay? Now, for the fourth step naman, kung makikita nyo dito is to read the user's input at para magawa yan, kailangan natin ng dalawang requirement. So, una sa lahat is i-store natin yung input ni user gamit ang variable. So, sabi ko dito is favorite number yung kukuhanin natin, di ba? So, might as well use the data type na integer kasi yun yung default value. So, that would be int, tapos sabihin natin favnum yung ating variable name. Tapos, yung next natin na requirement would be to read the user's input. So, in order to do that, kukuhanin lang natin yung scanner object na name. In this case, that is scan, tapos dot, yung ating user input type. So, yung user input type, yung mga usual user input type natin would be etong mga to. So, kapag integer yung hinahanap mo kay user or kinukuha mo, ito yung lalagay natin. Pag string, itong dalawa yung pwede natin pagpilian. Tapos, pag double naman, ito yung gagawin natin. Pero, hindi lang yan limited dyan, guys, kasi meron pa siya dito. Okay? So, in this case, ang hinihingi natin would be yung integer or number. That would be next int. Now, after ngan, pupunta tayo sa fifth step, which is to close the scanner. And in order to do that, gagawin lang natin yung object name, which is scan, tapos close. So, ganyan lang yon. So, ibig sabihin nito guys, tapos na tayo sa 5 steps all in all. So, ang last step natin talaga is to display yung favorite number ni user. And in order to do that, syempre, system.out.println yung gagawin natin. So, that would be your favorite number is, tapos lagyan lang natin ng plus, tapos yung variable name which is favnum, ilalagay natin dito. So, sinasabi lang nito, ipiprint natin yung your favorite number, kasama dyan yung variable kung saan in-store natin yung user's input. Okay? So, kapag plinay natin at niran natin yan, ganito yung itsura niya. Kung makikita nyo, nakalagay dito yung enter your favorite number, tapos yung cursor natin napunta sa baba. Okay? Sinasabi lang nito, mag-enter daw tayo ng favorite number natin. So, in my case, that would be 18. Tapos, automatic nag-display siya gamit tong code na to ng your favorite number is, tapos yung favorite number natin which is 18. So, ganun lang guys, kasimple, gumawa or magpatakbo ng ating Java scanner. Now, para mas maintindihan natin, mag-solve naman tayo ng isang problem which is to get the user's name and age. So, hindi ko nabuburahin to guys. Yung ating code, papalitan lang natin kung ano yung mga dapat palitan. So, ang mga i-retain natin would be itong number 1, syempre itong number 3, at syempre itong number 5. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung 2 at 4, papalitan natin. Okay? So, since name at age ang fo-focusan natin, pwede natin dito ilagay, enter your name. Tapos, next naman is, since name yan, that would be stored in a string, hindi na int. Tapos, palitan natin variable name ng name. Tapos, syempre, since napalitan mo na yung storage niya, automatic, dapat papalitan mo din to. So, that would be next or next line. So, next muna ang gagawin ko. So, by the way, ang pinagkaiba lang ng next at next line would be yung parang print. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung print, tas ito naman yung parang print ln na tinatawag natin dito. Tapos, syempre, papalitan natin tong display natin. So, lalagay ko ng your name is, tapos, yung ating variable name, which is name. So, kapag niran natin yan, automatic ganito yung output niya. Enter your name. So, lalagay ko lang Pat, tapos your name is Pat. So, ganun lang siya. Now, what if gusto ko naman yung age? So, katulad kanina, ganun lang din gagawin natin. So, tatanggalin ko lang to, comment out ko lang muna, since 2 and 4 lang naman yung lagi natin ginagalaw pati yung display. So, ang gagawin ko lang dyan would be system.out.println, enter your age. So, ganyan. Tapos, after nyan yung ating fourth step. So, since age yan, that would be integer. Tapos, ang lalagay natin would be age is equal to scan.nextInt. Okay? Tapos, papalitan natin to. Your age is, tapos lagay natin yung age. Okay? So, kapag niran ko yan, ang mangyayari would be this one. Enter your age, that would be 20, tapos your age is 20. So, guys, what if you're wondering naman kung pwede ba natin pagsamahin sa iisang scanner lang yung name at age? Kumbaga, i-enter muna ni user yung kanyang name, tas after nun, may magpo-prompt ulit na question, tapos enter naman niya yung age. Pwede ba yan sa scanner? Yes, pwede yon. So, etong code na to is ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumana yung solution natin dito na combine. So, this is the code for that. So, i-run muna natin, tas tsaka ko i-explain. So, as you can see here, naglagay siya ng enter name, tapos mag-enter ako, that would be Pat. Tapos yung age ko, that would be 20. So, ang output niya, your name is Pat and you are 20. Okay? So, explain ko na yung codes. So, nakalagay dito, nag-stay pa rin yung ating import. Tapos, kung mapapansin nyo, nandito yung ating scanner. Kumbaga, siya yung nauna, hindi yung question. Tsaka lang napunta yung question dito, tapos sinabi niya na mag-enter si user ng name. After nyan, meron ulit question na nag-display, which is this one. Tapos, mag-enter si user ng kanyang age, which is this one. After nun, is nag-display na yung your name, which is yung string na yan. Tapos, nilagyan ko lang ng plus. Tapos, yung name, which is yung variable name na in-store natin, na in-input ni user. Tapos, yung string na to. Tapos, yung age na in-input ni user na in-store gamit ng variable na to. So, ganun lang guys, magpatakbo ng scanner na to. Now, additional knowledge lang, kapag niran ulit natin to, tapos, let's say for example, yung name mo is enter name, that would be Pat, tapos okay siya, pero yung age mo, nilagay mo Pat ulit, makikita nyo dito, nagkaka-error siya. Kasi, sinasabi lang dito na hindi integer yung type na nilagay mo dito. So, ganun lang yung error na makukuha mo dyan. So, isipin natin na kung wari for now, medyo matatalino yung user natin at hindi sila masyado nagkakamali. Kasi didiscuss pa natin further yung topic na to sa iba pa natin lessons. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo in this lesson. So, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!